Current weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Trumbull County until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radars display with a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near West Farmington and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Cortland. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Trumbull, Ohio,